be in the video.
Do y'all want me to do something? David, watch yourself right when you start to back up because the curb's right there. Rub my tummy. You can just rub my tummy. He's gonna clean her eyes. Look at that. Okay, bye.